Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is me Khalid. Hope you all are in your great condition. Today I am going to talk about tea and lemonade. So let's start the main video. Well, first we'll talk about tea. Okay, so tea comes from special leaves that grow on tea plants. We pick these leaves, and depending on the kind of tea we want, we do different things to them. For green tea, we dry the leaves quickly to keep them green. For black tea, we let the leaves change color by rolling them, letting them sit, and then drying them. Once we have our tea leaves ready, we put them in hot water. The hot water helps the flavors and smells from the leaves mix into the water. After a few minutes, we have our own tasty drink called tea. Well, now we'll go for lemonade. Okay, so lemonade is a simple and sweet drink made from lemons. First, we oil the lemons and then squeeze them to get their juice. The lemon juice is a little sour, so we mix it with water and sugar to make it sweet and delicious. After stirring it all together, we have a cool and refreshing drink that's perfect on a hot day. So that's all for today. This was the discussion about tea and lemonade. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back soon. Don't forget to like and share. Assalamu alaikum.